Wonder why your journey is taking a different direction? Wonder why things are not working for you the way you expected or the way they're working for others? Many times we get confused and frustrated about our life, our future, and God's plan for us, yet little or nothing do we know about what God has in store for us. We don't know our life and purpose are unique. The Lord, in His wisdom, has set us apart for greatness. He has distinguished us and made us unique among our contemporaries. If you are worried and concerned about how your life is going and how things are moving for you, I say, do not worry. Do not be discouraged, because your Heavenly Father is at work. He's on your case. He's making life and purpose work for you. He has set you apart for His glory. He has set you apart for His goodness. He has set you apart for His greatness. He said, "Fear not, for I am with you. I will uphold you with my right hand." He knows what He has planned for your life. He knows what He has designed. He knows how He has made your life beautiful and glorious, how He has made you an envy among your peers, how He has prepared a table before you in the presence of your enemies, and how He has glorified Himself in your life. Relax and be cheerful. Hold on to faith and walk in your purpose. I see you stepping into glory and shining your light for Christ. God bless you. Read next, The Only Way to Secure Your Future. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.